All right, first graders, I see two numbers. Which numbers do you see? I see 1 and I see 5. Today we're looking at greater than, less than, or equal to. So if we were doing that, which number is greater, 1 or 5? What do you think? Which one would Pac-Man want to eat? Now remember, if we're doing greater than or less than in the classroom, we would have your hands like Pac-Man going this way, or Pac-Man going this way. Or you would have an equal, you'd have two hands like this on top of each other. Hard to do that with one hand holding my camera. So, which number would Pac-Man want to eat? I think you're right. I think he's going to want to eat 5. So we would make our, this is called an inequality sign. That's a big 3rd grade word. So, can you read this? 1 is less than 5. Now, if I put this sign in there, how would we read that? 1 is greater than 5. Is that true? No. See, I'm just messing with you guys. So, we'd say 1 is less than 5. We read it from left to right. Now, if it was like this, we could say 5 is greater than 1. But that's not how I wrote the numbers today. Sorry, guys. So, what if we did this? Let's erase this guy. We'll change these numbers around. You ready? Oops, which way would our Pac-Man go? Get your hands ready. So this number is 21. What number is this? 52. Good job. All right, which way is that Pac-Man going to go? Which way is our sign going to go? Is it going to be greater than or less than? Well, let's think about it. I have 21 and 52. I see a 2 in the tens place and a 5 in this tens place. I can tell just by looking at the tens place that 52 is greater than 21. But we have to start with 21. So we're going to do 21 is less than 52. Read it with me. 21 is less than 52. All right, now I'm going to mess with you a little bit. You ready for this? Oh, what did I do? What happened? We're getting into some big numbers. All right, so this is the ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. So read this with me. 321, and this number is tens or hundreds, tens, and ones. So 152. We don't say 5 tens. 52. So which way is our Pac-Man going to go this time? I can hear you guys. These are big numbers, aren't they, Miss Eastman? Which way would they go? What do you think, first graders? I think you're right. I think our sign would go this way. So we would read it like this. You ready? 321 is greater than 152. All right, but if I had a number that looked like this, let's say I have 127 and 127, what would I put between those two numbers? Oops, there's my phone. What would I do? They're the same number on both sides. What would we put? An equal sign, because they are equal. All right, guys, go into your week 5 packets. Give me a second to erase these. And get your pages that look like this. It's me and the penguins again. Hopefully you left your number line up. I left mine up. It's over there. See? Because we're going to compare some heights today. You ready? So we looked at the rock hopper and the king penguin in unit 4. So today we're focusing on the emperor penguin and the little blue penguin. So what you're going to do is I want you to go back and, we don't really have to go back because look at, they even gave you the heights right there. So how tall is the emperor penguin? Right, 45 inches tall. And the little blue penguin is 16 inches tall. Now, this is where it gets tricky. I can't tell you how tall you are. You have to remember that. That's why I had you make your own circle and put it on your graph. So let's do the emperor penguin together. I'll have you do your height and the little blue penguin on your own. So it says that the emperor penguin is 45 inches tall. So I'm going to go 10, 20, 30, 40 and count. Get really close, guys. Watch this. So I'm at 40. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. It's hard to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to color in that bar. And then I will take a crayon and color in all the rest of those. I don't have a crayon with me, so I'm just going to use my pencil. Color all the way down. I'm going to color this a little bit nicer when I have two hands to do this to hold my paper down. So you're going to color this whole thing. Now, Miss Eastman, that is not first grade coloring. I can hear you guys saying that right now. But look at my paper is flying all over the place. I'm going to go back when I have two hands and color it in nicely. All right, so then you're going to do your height and the little blue penguin's height. Now, it says the little blue penguin's height is this much. Now, I know one of our friends in our class is the same height as the emperor penguin. Who is that? I think his name starts with K and ends in Ain. Mr. Kane sent me his picture, and he's the same height as an emperor penguin. So that's cool. So down here, what you're going to do is you're going to use your greater than or less than signs to compare the height. So you're going to write the emperor's penguin is how tall? 72? 45? Yes, 45. So you're going to write that right in there. And then the little blue penguin you're going to write right there. Then you're going to write your height on these lines. And then fill in your Pac-Man sign. Make sure I can see the greater than and less than signs. Or maybe you're equal to. I don't think anybody's just going to be 16 inches tall. My nephew, it was just born, oh gosh. He's like almost 2 months old. And he's bigger than 16 inches, guys. So, yeah. Think about that. I don't think anybody's 16 inches tall, at least in our class.